Hello, my name is John Biton from Math 32, Probability and Statistics, from a discussion 21D and for spring 2021, and I'm going to talk about mean versus median. So, what is mean and median? The mean is the average value of the numbers. It's found by getting the sum of the dataset and then dividing it by how many numbers are in the dataset. The median is the middle number when the numbers are put in order. It's found by first sorting the data set, and if the number of the data set is odd, you would just grab the middle number. If it is even, then you would grab the two middle numbers, add them together, and then divide it by 2. So there are both pros and cons to mean and median. A mean is a single value that's intended to represent the entire set of data, and it tries to identify the true middle of the data set. However, it is very sensitive to outliers and skewed data. So if you have like regular numbers and then you have like one huge number or one small number, it would skew up your data. The median is the middle value of a sorted set of numbers. To determine the median, we first need to sort or arrange the values of the dataset in order of magnitude. And it, like I said before, would be computed differently in the case of odd and even numbers. And the median, not unlike the mean, is not sensitive to outliers or skewed data. So why would you compare the mean and the median? So if the mean is greater than the median, then you can tell that the distribution is positively skewed. If the mean is less than the median, then the distribution would be negatively skewed. Otherwise, your distribution would be symmetric. So I have two examples for us today. There's the first list, 26, 30, 27, 37, 20, 31, and 27, which has 7 numbers in the data set. So to find the mean first, you would add them all up together and then divide it by 7, overall getting 28.3. And I have a second list, 28, 30, 24, 26, 33, 33, 33, 36. And to get the mean, you'd add those up all together and then divide it by 8, resulting in 30.4. So now we're trying to find the median of both the lists. So first you would sort the list, and then since it's 7, it would be in the middle. So that would mean the median for list 1 is 27. In list 2, we would also sort the list. And since there's no one number in the middle, you would grab the two numbers in between, 30 and 33, then divide it by 2, which would give us 31.5. So here I graphed both the lists. Here in list 1, we can see the median is 27. And when we compare the mean to the median, we can see that the mean is greater than the median. Thus, we can conclude that the distribution is positively skewed. Here we have list 2 where the median is 31.5 and the mean is 30.4. And since the mean is less than the median, we can conclude that the distribution is negatively skewed. So here I have an altered list 2 and the original list 2. So, like we concluded before, the mean would be 30.4 and the median is 31.5. If we add one large outlier to list 2, we can see that it would greatly affect the mean, however only slightly affecting the median. So we added 333, and we took the sum of the list 2, the altered list 2, and then divided by 8, which would give us 64. And the median would only move up one number up, since we have 9 numbers now, and it would be 33, which we can see only slightly changes the median. So there are a bunch of uses of this in the real world. It would be most useful for statistics. Huge examples would be like money, sports, and food consumption. So sports, you can see how well a player has been doing. And in food consumption, you can see what prices are better, what prices are worser in each like supermarket. Like the price of an apple can vary so much between stores. Anything with a data set can use mean and median. Like I said before, sale prices in a market, the price range for an apple or any product. And the mean for a test score can be used to determine to change a test. If the test score is too low, that would mean to make it a little bit more easier, or to teach the students more of these concepts. And if it's too high, make it a little bit more challenging for the students. And a median can be used when the mean does not work. Thank you.